Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today news carries pain, fear and serious questions about peace, leadership and the safety of ordinary people in South Sudan. Across the country, civilians are losing their life, not because they choose war, but because violence continues to find them in market, mining areas, and even in their home. Women, children, and hardworking citizens are paying the price. In today's report, we'll cover three major stories. We will start it with the report, civilian killed in an airstrike in Ural County, Jonglei State. And second, we'll talk about 16 people killed at the gold mining area in Budi County in eastern Equatoria. And third, a political decision in Apanal State where the deputy mayor of Malakal has been removed from office. These stories may seem different, but they share one painful truth. The life of ordinary people are becoming less safe. Please, before we start with this report, help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin our report with airstrike killed civilian in in Jonglei. On Monday morning, December 29, 2025, civilians woke up expecting a normal day. People went to the market to buy food. Children followed their mothers. Traders hoped to sell goods so they could feed their families. But instead of peace, death came from the sky. What happened was, according to opposition military official, an airstrike was carried out by the South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF. The bomb reportedly hit a busy market area in Lankan town at around 10 a.m. in the morning. According to the report, at least 10 civilians were killed. Those killed were not soldiers. They were women, children, and disabled men. A military spokesperson from the SPLIO, Lieutenant Colonel Korinyang Mabor, spoke about the incident. He said 3 women were killed, 5 children lost their life, 1 handicapped man also died. This attack shocked the community and caused fear across the country. The opposition described the attack as cruel and unacceptable. They say civilians are being targeted, not protected. People who survived the blast describe scenes of chaos. Bodies on the ground, injured people crying for help, parents searching for their children. Markets are places of life. They are not military bases. Earlier the same morning, around 6 a.m., fighting had already taken place in Riangpayam, another area in Ural County. Opposition officials said SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, attacked their position on the ground. Both sides reported casualties. According to SPLAIO, 2 of their soldiers were killed, 4 were injured. They claim 5 SSPDF soldiers died. Another local official gave slightly different numbers, but confirmed the fighting was deadly. Local leaders say the situation is very tense. People are afraid to go to market, afraid to sleep at night, afraid of airstrike. When bombs fall from the sky, there's no warning. Children cannot run fast enough. Elderly people cannot hide. Civilians feel trapped. No response from SSPDF. Journalists tried to reach the SSPDF for comment. No response was given. When silence follows civilian deaths, it leaves communities with pain and unanswered questions. A respected civil society leader, Edmund Yakani, strongly condemned the violence. He warned that continued fighting between SSPDF and SPLIO could lead to serious human rights violation and possible war crime. He said the problem goes deeper than guns. There is lack of trust, political power struggles, failed to fully implement peace agreement. He also warned that the dry season often brings more fighting because roads are open and movement is easier. This attack did not happen alone. In recent weeks, tensions have increased, army clashes have spread, and an SSPDF base in Wad was reportedly captured by the SPLA-IO forces. Jonglei State remains one of the most fragile regions in the country. The biggest victims are always the same civilians. Before we move on to our second top story, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's move on to our second top story. This is a sad one. 16 people killed at gold mining site in Budi County. Now we move to eastern Equatoria state, to Budi County in an area called Ngoro. Here, the violence did not come from the sky, it came from the ground. Carried out by army youths. What triggered the violence was, on December 26, police arrested a man suspected of being linked to a criminal group. This group was connected to border related crime. After the arrest, a group of army youths demanded his release. They stormed a detention area. Police asked for time to investigate, but the group refused to talk. They refused to wait. The situation quickly turned violent. Gunfire broke out. One of the attackers was killed during the exchange with security forces in the area. The rest of the group fled toward a nearby gold mining area known as Lopua. That is where tragedy followed. Attack on miners. At the mining site, men and women were working. They were earning money through a small-scale gold mining and they were unharmed. The attack opened fire on them. At least, according to the report, 16 people were killed. They came from different communities. Nuer were there, Dinka were there, and other tribes. Some bodies were found, others were missing. Families are still searching. State officials confirmed the attack. They condemned the killing of innocent people. Local authorities, police, and community members are helping too. They are helping to recover bodies, identify victims, and search nearby areas. However, even officials admit that the situation is not fully clear yet. Civil society leaders say this incident shows a serious failure of security. They are demanding a full investigation, accountability, and real action to stop army use of violence. They warn that if nothing changes, more civilians will die. Gold mining areas across South Sudan are becoming dangerous. But with this, according to the report, the people that were targeted were Dinka and Nuer, and other youth or women and men that were not part of the Eastern Equatoria community. Again, gold mining area across South Sudan become dangerous because weapons are present, youths are unemployed, dispute turn deadly. Again, the victims are ordinary people trying to survive. Let's move on to our final report. Governor Dollar removed Malakal deputy mayor. Now we turn to Apanal State, to the city of Malakal. This story is political, but it is still affect daily life. What happened was the governor of Apanal State, Jacob Dollarut, issued an order on Monday. In that order, he removed the deputy mayor of Malakal town, Cholkurla. The removal took effect immediately. No reason was given. No replacement was announced. Why Malakal matters? Malakal is the largest city in Apanal, the seat of the state government, a city with long political tension. In the past, Malakal was part of Malakal County. Later, it became a municipality. This change caused disagreement among communities and leaders. Some supported it, others strongly opposed it. When officials are removed without explanation, people began to ask questions. Why was he removed? Was it political? Was it administrative? What happened next? So far, there are no answers. Leadership change affects service delivery, local administration, and public trust. At any time when the country faces insecurity, displacement, and hunger, people want stability, not confusion. In conclusion, today 3 stories share one painful message. South Sudan is still struggling to protect its people from airstrike on market, army attack on miners, sudden political decision. The burden always falls on civilians, women, children, workers, families. Peace cannot survive where civilians are unsafe. Leadership cannot succeed where trust is broken. We end this report with a call: protect civilians, respect human life, choose dialogue over violence, put the people first. This has been Changfied News. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Biaka mal ka Changfied YouTube channel bana roin ti kon lat korodian bana keling. To kon ka roin di shub ka diok ti bej ti go liang. Bana je to ka leran nyam de kon ling. Leran nyam ban ling gwas me bana roich ka riga dan ci tuok. Doran ka lanken. Ajen bu kon ling on ko le dang duk kon bana lat lanken jalo do cha na cha nektin. Nyok dor shal ka me bundi kanti kesin Equatoria cha ne dangwal bakal cha nektin. Kalere jog bana roich ka kuya penal state gwamisha deputy mayor cha je joitin kwar dan en kef Malakal. Gwas me chana ito ka ren yala shubok ka lanken ka nyirol ka Jonglei. Ka jelat kurun wang long ka chang yandang ro bangwan ka pai wero ron kin dang ro jandang ro di cha joja gwan go chenete kon la civiliani cha ka bukare nyal. Chenete wan ka tawel ke 10 p.m. 10 a.m. in the morning cha joja gwan go chenete kon tin la deni SSPDF charen yal cha jak and when mo chirenya la mo chana chega market ka choto kan wo banat bakabo Canadian content cha bogan gwasa mo ta ga tikatin ta man tikatin Nathan content chi we to kok kasuk ke ka market ko ngai kola na we ka market bana ko ka kwanda bacham ajan gwada dan ti trader di altin ko katin go ka kungna katin go la family di alkan wen mo Kajan gwasmo kana busy ka market shukume kirmi yadit deni SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force you can helicopter you can jak helicopter mo chona chuka jak chuka book ka do burmiel ki do jetka na mo chona chuka wang ka jarun wang mo ka tawel gwam no ka changda chu jojo gwan go shana chakanek ne ko na chanek kume kirmi yadit karenyal kanere chup ko bangman tila civilian kan dial tele de interradian gwan to kortin nane aduno ne ko na cha target ke jen gwasamo renal ka market kaneten kon tila civilian de ne SSPDF let kan ngai kana nak kanere kon la civilian ngai kana ne dang bangwan cha kan nak ka wa bel kan ne dang bangwan ba kanere kon cha nak shi ka denni ka men ka gat kanete content bej panken ka jo chalat gwase me ramdala ran SPLIO lieutenant colonel kornyang mabur chero jen wonene ajane cha mendang dok shakanak ke gat tiene dang diech karam kel michiliu karami mi betede ki handicap cha nagare nere bokonom bam bokonat no krenial enta dan chirenal che boko je chenete wanti widen che jegay Nathan kontin la deni SSPDF chik dori kanalat ci deni SPLIO chicken ladan woman chalat Nathan kont la deni SSPDF chiko bong gwad dan anti civilian tikatin pelkan gwad dan anti din tikatin ku kan target ni civilian ngai kana ko gor kano bi kuma SPLIO bi kan bay de bi kan jek jan ta dan lat ke kir ngai kan gwad anti ditin bala kan we gwad dan anti le korten bi ko nang ne kontin la men kan Nathan kon tin la gad tiene kaneti dit ten cha wor cha jalong na cha ka mol pin midit ke gwadan chirenal cha bokten ka maj midit jana cha ka mol pin kwana kwala tet gwadan kere polana china cha penten na mo mi choda lat ka kore cha kuma SPLIO cha jamak deni SSPDF dore shal kame e riang payam Kariang payam Kinural County Chalado Kajan Guadan would in Alwigam Boke Chadin SSPDF Chanyo Majaka Guadan test Pila go ticket. Michigan Yenyo report Chalat Guasame Wachadin SSPDF to shop Kudia Chakanak Kachadin Dangro Kokuma Spila go Chakanak. Yes, Pila go taken a dang one take a boat, ka dene SSPDF chinedang de chikalu, baneken content like the bone can calat. Chajo mo chajalat and 18 continental local official, Katadan and chi regamocha to again. We corner man near corner shoot along like Chini civilian core, man call a batch, oh and kume benetin con tin. La civilian bugger target Chimishan and no shika boker enial, Pelkan gather down to the integratin, Nameda la gender report and yam and the generally. Reported out of Guasme Bana Rajime Banajaling, Chalado Shane Dangwell Buckel Shakanak. Yaganak gold mining, Guadadan and Tetke Dapton. Adora Shalke Budi County. Tuoga case in Equatoria State, Budi County, Jan Guadadan Tatin, and area down of Quanara Nectin, Dangwell Buckel Shale Nguro. Michigan me Micho the lot, no, but Korame, Chechika Kodana Chitwalk, Manakanaka, Nialona Kerenial. Namene Canada Chariala Rudianeka, when the Charan Relica, Kubudi County. At Locanatin Contilla Dur, Tincho Tetka Dab. A Kachan Dang Road Buckel Kapai Wero, Ronkin Dang and Dang Road Ditch. I take a win Mishayen, who the more Chalado Gen Arami moment take a criminal group, take a bon, Nanton Conon Cana. Michayeno, Genoa Yanka walk and a conilla boda boda and la qualke. Chayu yen, Kakora take a when Charity Aleka to take a match. Chica Ben, Guadana Chayenton. Ano sugar ben ka jen duel yena ka chuken aladno gorkano bawudu mo bajelu in kabom michalo ko shukori tuok niga jen gwasamo chuk charam kel ka chayu nak a police force ka kore chayu joj michaga joyu ren cho bare ruo michuren bare ruo ba shidini na gwada danan te gold mining teten and gold mining gwada dan teten atin wertegatin te din ka tigatin kana dur kokien target kelu biken nuarikan dinka biken kadilna yan target dan tigten wallo kaneten kon tilla dor be gwas do dien mi kore tuogo shikana ngwaj gwada dan shalke lopwa ajan gwada anti gold mining teten angwa gold mining amo chu joja gwan wo shunere to shuken we jekan man kane wuni tetken ka dabne and damdo to jan kukan kunin kan jektenone akajan gwada an kukan yoken kukan jekten kane tel match tel majalka ka civilian telenekan ka gold mining site michinede kontil attacker chuba chukan chu lemna match barkana kana nika jen gwasamo shugane dangwal bakel chukan kana on spot michajelingo chuna ken rar ko ba ne to ba ka bigil chajik shigane dangwal bakel kan tung nakandial ne dangwal bakel to kane ko na taka board kane kon charen bar wa chakul goro ne dangwal bakel ton ba panken go the kon charnekten ba ka queen wala queen na target den kane chicken ne de kontil la nuari kane jang chicken ga gor kane other tribe tete mantin kane wuni so na me be mi tore wichin winimi painat kwala goreke na me mi chora lat gwada danante gold mining teten ka jandoro shalka mo eastern Equatoria kata dana liuna akaje gwam mi chinawe ko ba yo ba ko gor then after that don bu kule jem brokulo lonkale deka bana me mi tuok ne dangul bakel chaga nak reina maka leran jodian gwasman ban kwen governor dung apenal ano cha kwera rawde deputy mayor ki kwar wuje rawde cha jawuch ban jome ban jelin kel ka do bran ci tuok je governor of Apenal state wuri chal ke je kob dollar route ke je lat che order che jetup che deputy mayor of Malakal town che jawuch wuri chal ke chul kurla je removed ke che jawuch ka woje je ba kana kon latin woje je reason dan woy ke je kana lat anyok bo gwada kana moy karan en Malakal jen woje dini jen ka Apenal jen gwada dan ante state government ke kume ke luteten jen der kume jen gwada dan ante kordial to gorodin ten dong mete ke sial mlat ke bala ten bana kulo nak winten ko ken ci me shanga jen wala na yabuka ka nasir wana buka ka wana bugona dial ka fan ga go dial ti jen gwada la ken plan kan aleten before kan ti dial kan ngana to ayo me ci gan gorio bikan me gan yo jag bana ba ko nak so jender rika mandana len ngari tin ke jen gwa dana to na nang na tin ba en Malakal jena wa part of Malakal County men kule lari wa wude medio je gwate dan chagu jeno nene wa de ga dagane so che chute ke disagreement no chwa Malakal chwa ju jaka municipality and when money bana me sherik chaga nonglo chikaren lim and gwada mo ne shine dia le ni matre ji community na mo kana gu jeno bagaram baje dil goch no chwa wuch ko charo al chaje gorjen do badana wo ke jam. But no canalat and why he was removed. Gen siyasa key politics no more can at all. Gen administrative issues tell me chalatin. So men Ramadan de guade kana kon kwany but we ke jeno do dan lu ke jeno jen baje ba gwada ko ran ke je wa lu ke no dong de ko der to. Ko tini to kwai support ke ni de chai support so no dong de ral de le nung ba. So jo me da la jen jo dan gor de nya kon kel ka tin kon lat ko rodien en walle. Mi jiram jidit gwasme ka Changfied YouTube channel gorjeno jin der subscribe ko de notification bell de je twany ko mi tete ko mi ci bere gwas da chwa mala ci bugaji an biata kamal bye bye.